Today I'm making a cheddar barbecue chicken sandwich. First I have my breading station set up, so in the first bowl I have some flour, in the next bowl I have 2 eggs with a splash of milk, and I'm going to mix that up. Then in the last bowl I have some breadcrumbs, garlic powder, and some grated pecorino romano cheese, and I'm going to mix that up. Now I have some chicken breast that I cut into thin small pieces, so first I'm going to dip it in the flour, then dip it in the egg, and then dip it in the breadcrumbs, and then place it on the plate, and then repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. Next I have a fry pan on medium heat with some olive oil in it. I'm going to place the chicken cutlets in the pan and let them cook for a few minutes on the first side. After a few minutes I'm going to flip the chicken over and then let them cook on the other side. Once they're done cooking, I'm going to add them to a plate. Then on a baking sheet I have 2 pretzel buns that I cut in half. I'm going to add the piece of chicken on each pretzel bun. Next I'm going to sprinkle some shredded cheddar cheese on top of each piece of chicken. Then I'm going to add a squirt of barbecue sauce on each chicken sandwich and then place this in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes just to melt the cheese. Once they were done, I added them to a plate, and here's it up close. Look at the cheddar barbecue chicken sandwiches.